Alright, let's talk about it. It feels like every other day, you open your phone and boom, another headline about thousands of jobs getting cut. We're not just talking about a few people here and there, we're talking about massive, industry-shaking layoffs. Especially in two places we thought were bulletproof, tech and finance. Remember 2021? Tech companies were hiring like they were collecting Pokemon cards. Your cousin learned to code for 6 weeks, snagged free kombucha, and a nap pod. Now that same cousin is updating LinkedIn at 3 a.m., learning what severance really means. These weren't just jobs, they were golden tickets to the middle class, and those tickets are being revoked. This isn't a blip, it's a seismic shift leaving smart, talented people wondering what the hell just happened. So, why is this happening now? Why are these companies suddenly acting like your dad unplugging the toaster? It's a perfect storm of a few key things. During the pandemic, we lived online. Companies thought the party would never end and hired aggressively. Then the boom cooled and payrolls ballooned. Inflation, high interest rates, recession fears, the Fed hiked, free money is gone. Investors want profits, so CEOs cut their biggest expense, employees, the robot elephant, artificial intelligence. It was supposed to create jobs, but now it does many tasks cheaper and faster. Why hire junior analysts or keep huge support teams when AI can handle the load? Priorities shifted. Billions flow to AI. Experimental, non-profitable projects get axed. Yes, including those floating legs metaverse dreams. Companies are feeding the AI beast, and jobs are getting caught in the crossfire. Okay, we covered the why, now the who. Who pays the price? It's the workers, their families, their communities. One day, you have a stable job, a 401k, health insurance. The next, it's all gone. Severance helps, but it's a ticking clock. Every day, savings evaporate. When 10,000 are laid off, you compete with 9,999 others. It's like the Hunger Games, but for software engineers. Silence chips away at confidence. You question skills, experience, even your worth. Anxiety, depression, isolation. For workers on visas, it's life upheaval. Families absorb the shock. The human cost isn't a line on an earnings report. It's real, devastating, and happening right now. So you got laid off. It sucks. Be angry, be sad. Take a day. Then get up and build your bounce-back playbook. First, handle your money. Know your severance. Apply for unemployment now. Check COBRA. Make a crisis budget, cut forgotten subscriptions, curb takeout, and map your runway. Months of essentials covered. Next, skill up. Scan roles you want. What skills repeat? New language, AI platforms, or green finance modeling. Take courses, use free tutorials, get a cert, or ship a portfolio project. Reconnect with people you liked. Don't ask for a job, ask for advice. People love giving advice. Treat job hunting like a marathon. Keep a routine, move your body, stay connected, and see a therapist if you need to. Alright, let's turn the lens back on companies. Firing people over a mass Zoom or a cold email is a masterclass in what not to do. Treat people with dignity. Deliver the news one-on-one. Be transparent. Explain why in plain language, no synergizing or right-sizing smokescreens. Offer extended severance, continue health coverage, and provide real outplacement, coaching, resume workshops, mental health support. After layoffs, over-communicate with the remaining team, reiterate vision, clarify roles, and acknowledge the difficulty. Invest in retraining and redeploying before you cut. Build sustainable, strategic growth, not panic hiring followed by mass firings. Treat people like long-term assets, not disposable resources. Now, we can't just expect companies to do the right thing out of the goodness of their corporate hearts. That's where the government comes in. Modernize unemployment insurance, raise benefits to realistic levels, and speed access, including gig workers and contractors. Fund large-scale retraining so displaced workers gain the skills for future jobs. Create upskilling grants in AI, cybersecurity, and green technology. Partner community colleges with local industries to build pathways directly into jobs. Build portable benefits so health and retirement follow you, 9 to 5, freelance, or founder. Offer tax incentives for retraining over layoffs and strengthen notice and severance requirements so workers aren't left holding the bag. Look, it's heavy. Getting laid off feels like personal failure, but it is not. These are macro forces and strategy pivots, bigger than any one person. You didn't get laid off for not being good enough. You were a line item to cut. Your worth isn't your job title. Sometimes a high-paying job is golden handcuffs. This pause forces reevaluation. Pivot industries, start that business, or find better balance. Build a life aligned with your values. The future favors adaptability. Keep learning, network, diversify income, build resilience. Change is a muscle. The ones who thrive see themselves as a business of one. This isn't the end of your story. Process it. Make a plan. Upskill. Connect. Take care of yourself. Now, go write the next page.